Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video to your YouTube channel at the phone. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube apps. And then after this, if you wanna upload your video at your YouTube channel at the phone, so you just click on the plus icon at the bottom, this one, click on it. And then in here you just click on the upload a video. And then in here you can choose the video that you want to add, maybe this one, so you just click on it. And then in here you just click on the next. And now in here you can add the title. In here I wanna add the title, see how to turn on watch history on TikTok. And after this, in here you can add the description, maybe TikTok apps tutorial by watching this video. Okay, and add the text, maybe TikTok feature. Okay, and go back. And then in here you can add the visibility. In here I wanna schedule, so you just click on the schedule. And then in here you can add this time or the schedule the time. I wanna schedule this date, and then like this. Okay, and then now you can click on the OK. And after this you can go back and then click on the upload at the bottom. Okay, sorry. KPM. Okay, so that's how to upload your video to your YouTube channel at the phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.